Everybody, so this one, the 1974 Brazilian Dodge Charger, was just released this year, 2025. So this is to celebrate Women's Day. So it's a celebration racer to celebrate Women's Day. So tingnan mo yung design and yung color, pink and white. And then may women sa harap na black and white. Look at that. And then I have with me another celebration racer. This one naman, this was also released 2025, this year lang. And this design is for Valentine's Day naman. So look at the wheels, look at the mags, the design of the car. Di ko pa siya binubuksan because I'm actually collecting it. And sobrang hilig ko talaga sa mga celebration racer cars. And I really look forward to always looking for one. And I'm gonna show you my other celebration racer car, which I already featured in my other video. This one naman is the one for Friendship Day. Yellow naman siya, with all those pink and girly colors there. Tapos yellow with white combination. This is also a celebration racer.